We'll guide you through how to voice record on an iPhone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on my iPhone, and so for whatever reason you want to go and voice record, perhaps you want to go and record a podcast, or you want to go and record a meeting, an interview to go and reference later, we're going to guide you through how this can be done step by step. It's really convenient doing it on your iPhone because it's got a really good microphone, and then you can actually go and simply do an edit with it, and you can easily go and share it from here as well. So we're going to guide you through exactly what you need to go and know. Also, it's important to note there's actually a voice recording app built into the iPhone. So you don't need to go and download anything. It should be already on your iPhone. So to go and get started with this, let's go and find the voice recording app. So by default, it's going to be on the second page in the utilities folder. As you can see, there it is, voice memos. If you think you may have gone and deleted it, then what you can do is you can go and search on the App Store for it and go and download it again. Then what you can do is go and open it up. Otherwise, you can go and drag down and go and search for voice memos here as well, and then you can open it up. So here we've got iCloud syncing. I won't bother with that for now. So I've actually used it before, so I've got some past recordings. But to go and start recording, what you need to do is go and press the recording button at the bottom, and then it'll go and start recording, as you can see. So record what you go and want to. You can go and see the length here, and you can go and see it picks up the sound waves. So what you can do is when you're finished is press the stop button, and there it is. So we've now got the recording here. You can press the three dots in the top right. You then got all these different options here. So in this case, I could rename this. I could name this example, like so. Then we can press enter. Then you can go and play it back here. You could delete it in the bottom right here. And if you go and press on this button to the left, you can then go and open it up. And what I like to do here is we can go make some edits. So we can go and press the three dots in the top left and go and press trim. And then what you can do here is go and trim parts out. So you could go and start it a little bit later. You can press trim in the bottom left like so, and it'll then go and be trimmed. And you can delete parts as well. Then press apply in the top right. And then at the bottom, you can go and resume. And you can go and keep recording more as well if you want to. So that's it. You've got some different options you can do there. Press the tick and we can press save recording or save as new. I'll save this one. And then what you can do is go and share it. So you can press the three dots in the top right, and you've got more different options down here. But what we can do is go and press share. And then you can go and choose who you want to go and share it with. It's that simple. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.